And this is almost done, guys. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Finish. Ito naman yung ano. Yung map natin. Labhan din yung map. Labhan natin yung map, guys. Kaya naka 1 hour na rin tayo, guys. So, thank you so much, everyone. And, mag-shoutout ako, guys, at mag-end na. So, ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, ay. Sis KTG is live din pala. Ayan na, naghang na. Naghang na yung phone ko. Thank you so much, Lucille Welly Vlog. Thank you so much. So yan, sis Lucille Welly Vlog. Thank you so much. Sir Ronel Arki. Thank you so much. Sis Litty Girl Channel, thank you. Exploring World with DN, thank you so much. Danis Solong, thank you so much. And Australian Karna, thank you so much, sir. Shulihatan, thank you so much. Sino pa? Sir Tony Mix Vlog, thank you. KGTV, thank you so much. The Romangcos siblings, thank you so much. Sino pa? Ayan. LE Elongo Vlog TV, thank you so much. Si Railani Asmar, thank you so much, sis. So, sa lahat na nandito, guys, thank you so much ang inyong lahat sa support. Ayan, may nagdating pa. So, bigyan kita moderator, pero mag-end na ako, guys. So, ayan. Ira's Queen Vlog family, thank you so much for coming. I'm in my live also, guys. So, ayan, guys. Please connect each other. If somebody will connect to you, please return back, okay? So, all of you here is happy. Thank you so much. I finished my washing my clothes, guys, and I hung already. So, thank you so much, everyone. And until here, only my live. So, thank you so much for supporting my live, guys. Thank you. God bless. And I love you all, guys. Bye, and see you in my next vlog and live. Thank you. God bless.